I can go now. This one is much easier to hold down. Even Cedar Points was really difficult to hold down, and Holiday Worlds was also. Kind of seems like this one goes, hey! Kind of seems like this one goes a little bit faster though than some of the others. I love how you have the convergence of two coasters, the antique cars, and the train right here. They're all kind of on top of each other. And that is one of the things I love about Indiana Beach. It's very compact, but they put so many things on. It's just really cool. Here I am.
Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!